We finally found the limits of the bad boy. So, welcome back to the page. I've been digging on this stump for 2 days, an hour a day each. It's a massive 16-inch oak stump. And it was quite a dig to get out. We ended up having a 4-foot deep hole that's 11 foot across. That's gonna be so much fun to fill in. Now we're gonna see if we can get this out without wheeling too much. And the hydraulics have it lifted as high as it will. For the rear. And there she is. And this is a 4025 bad boy with the backhoe. It's a massive stump. Hell, now to backfill and then in for dinner. Please like and subscribe.